hao, welcome to my channel. I'm Yao. My first language is Mandarin Chinese. I'm here to help you learn how to write in traditional Chinese. It's the final week of Mandarin Chinese numbers. We count based on 10. This channel aims to write. Therefore, I have some informative links about how to count in Chinese in my playlist for your reference. I'm going to introduce you 10 and above. They are 十、百、千。十 10 is quite simple. It's a cross, and that's it. In my opinion, 一、二、三 and 十 are easy to remember. How do you think? Move on to 百 100. Divide it into two parts. The top horizontal line is 一 and the bottom character is 百. 一 means 1 and 百 means white. The bottom 百 is the second tone. When you want to say 100, it is 百. The third tone, 百 is the radical of 百. Qian, 1,000. Do you still remember how to write 十, 10? You can imagine 千, 1,000 is 十, 10, wearing a hat. And the radical of 千 is 十. It's the end of this week. Let's check them again. 十, 百, 千. Next week, we are going to write traditional Chinese characters related to time. Stay tuned. If you find my contents are useful, welcome to subscribe. See you soon.